How to lose weight. Lose belly fat fast with lime and honey. Drink for weight loss fast. Are you looking for a recipe for really effective weight loss? In this video, I will share with you a really effective method. This weight loss recipe that many people highly recommend. It will help you lose weight fast without fatigue. If who are lazy to exercise gym and don't want to go on a diet, maybe you usually use medication to help lose weight, but this is not good for your health with fatigue, dry skin, water shortage. So, if you want to lose weight, you have to be smart. Choose the best way for your health to have the body toned. This is the reason in this video, I will share with you an effective weight loss recipe. This recipe is recommended by beauty expert Share. It's also good for your skin. By drinking just 1 glass of this drink in the morning after waking up, you will lower your excess fat levels. If you drink it every day for at least 9 days, you will see that you will improve in a few days. It helps improve your digestion, kickstart your metabolism, and most importantly, enable your body to burn fat efficiently. This detox drink is one of the best weight loss drinks to lose weight and lose belly fat naturally. There are plenty of people who swear by this magical mixed dose because this miracle drink does a lot more than melt your fat and speed up fat loss process. You would definitely want to start drinking this miracle mix if you're looking for effective and sustainable home remedies for weight loss. Ingredients: water, fresh limes, pure honey. And here how to prepare. Step 1. You prepare 5 fresh limes and wash under the tub. Then you soak them in salt water, diluted to completely remove dust and chemicals. Next, you cut all the limes in half and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Analysts also point out that lime peels are effective in reducing fat much more efficiently than lime juice. So don't waste the lime peel. Take advantage of them to accelerate the fat burning process. Step 2. You put all the lime peel in a pot. Then you put 2 liters of water into the pot. Now you cook this water on medium heat until boiling. Once the mixture boils, reduce the heat and simmer for 3 minutes to remove the oil from the lime peel. Then off the kitchen and leave it to cool down for 10 or 15 minutes. Step 3. When the lime water to cool off, you remove the lime peel from the water. After that, you pour the water into a glass jar with a lid. Then you add the lime juice. Next, you add 2 teaspoons of pure honey to sweeten and stir well. You place this jar in the cooler of the fridge for 1 to 2 days. Drink 1 cup in the morning after waking up and drink 1 cup before each of your main meals. You can also drink it when thirsty instead of filtered water. After 9 days, you will be surprised at the result. Please share with your friends and family and let us know what you think in a comment below.